Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss how to game share your Xbox. Game sharing is a fantastic feature that allows you to connect with friends and other gamers to play games together, either locally or online. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the 3 main steps to game share your Xbox. Step 1. Set up your Xbox. First, you need to set up your Xbox. If you haven't already, connect your Xbox to the internet using an Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi, and download the latest version of the Xbox software. Once your Xbox is up and running, log into your account and go to the Settings menu. Step 2. Enable game sharing. Now that your Xbox is set up, you'll need to enable game sharing. Head back to the Settings menu and select Game Sharing. Depending on your version of Windows, this may be called something different. Connect to a friend's Xbox, for example. Click on Connect to a friend's Xbox. Step 3. Choose your game sharing plan. Once you've connected to your friend's Xbox, you'll be prompted to choose a game sharing plan. There are 2 main options, Monoular and Bridged. Monoular mode enables you to play games on your Xbox, but not on your friends'. It's best for casual gaming and small group play. Bridged mode enables you to play games both on your Xbox and your friend's Xbox. It's best for multiplayer games and larger groups. Choose the plan that works best for your needs, and you're all set. You can now start playing games with friends and other gamers across the internet. Enjoy!